This podcast is brought to you by sarahraven.com, which is home to everything you need for a truly beautiful and productive garden. You'll also find great and essential gardening kit and stylish, lovely things to have in your house to bring the outside indoors, all inspired by the garden and the house being tied together. There's also plenty of garden inspiration, how-to videos and specialist growing guides, so head over to sarahraven.com today to discover even more.
Hello and welcome to a special announcement of Grow, Cook, Eat, Arrange. Many of you will know that this podcast comes from me, Sarah Raven, and sarahraven.com, an online shop where you can buy beautiful and stylish things for your garden and home. I am so thrilled and incredibly proud to announce that Sarah Raven has received B Corp certification, meaning that we're now officially B Corp certified. There might be some of you who are already very familiar with what B Corp certification stands for, but I wanted to take the opportunity to tell you a little bit about what it means for us here at Sarah Raven and what it means for you. B Corp certification is awarded to businesses that balance profit with purpose. It's given to those businesses that take their environmental and social responsibilities seriously. I'm really proud to say that we do both, taking care of our people, the people who work with us and for us, and the natural world, both essential to everything that we do. We've always been serious about protecting the environment and working in the most sustainable ways possible so that we have a long-lasting and positive impact on the world around us. To find out more about what we're doing, from harvesting 20 million litres of water at our nursery in Lincolnshire to delivering plastic-free parcels, you can read the detail in our social impact report that can be found on our website, sarahraven.com. And when we talk about people in the context of B Corp, it's as much about our staff and how important it is that we support their well-being and that they feel valued and cared for, as it is about the partners we work with, because we'll go out of our way to work with people that share our values and our vision for sustainability. Within the online gardening retail industry, we're the first to achieve B Corp certification, and I can't tell you how proud I am of that. And my promise to you listening is that we'll continue to lead and show how caring for our gardens and our wildlife can have such huge positive impact on our planet and the people around us. We're excited that we've got this far, but this certification isn't the end goal. It's the beginning of an ongoing journey of improvement and accountability in how we work and the impact we make. If you'd like to learn more about B Corp certification, visit sarahraven.com/B Corp. Thanks so much.